Hey Glow Beauties, it is Tyiece here. Welcome back to my space. Today I'm showing you how to create a soft, effortless double Dutch braid that's perfect for your next chill day look. No extensions, just your natural crown. Let's braid with intention. First, I'm starting on stretch detangled hair. Since this is a double Dutch braid, the key to forming this hairstyle is doing a middle part directly in the center of the face. So I'm using a rat tail comb to make my part as straight as possible, starting from my front hairline going all the way down to the nape in the back. After securing the opposite side in scrunchies, you want to smooth the loose side into place with a brush. Brush the hairline and also the center. Now we are going to be starting our braid. So the key for forming a Dutch braid is starting at the tip or the point of that part directly in the center of the face. And while you're braiding, you want to keep the hands close to the middle part. This is going to form that asymmetrical look that goes around the face versus braiding closer to the ear. So make sure that your hands or your braids are close to the center, as you can see right here when you're starting this braid. Use your hands to gently swoop and guide your hair towards the middle. Once you're almost halfway through the Dutch braid, you want to start aligning that braid closer to the earlobe. So it should start to drift away from the middle and become closer to the hairline near the ear right here. So since we're halfway through, it should be halfway close to it. And once you begin or once you continue to braid going straight down, you will find that this braid should start to come closer and closer to the edges or near the ear. So once you run out of scalp to attach the hair to, you are going to continue by plaiting the ends. So a key tip for keeping your ends nice and strong is to switch over to a twist once you are like 1 inch away from the very ends. For the opposite braid, we are going to be mirroring the first braid by making sure that we keep our hands or braid closer to the middle at the point when we begin, and as we begin to progress through that braid, we are going to be drifting the hands or the braids closer to the earlobe to make sure that both of these braids are symmetrical to the face. You don't want one braid to be too high and then the other braid too low. It's not going to form that nice asymmetrical look that you're going for. So the key to braiding is understanding the roles of the different fingers. Use your index finger to pick up hair, bring it around while staying in the gripping motion without applying too much tension because you don't want it to be painful, of course. If you're new to braiding and you really want to get the rhythm down, especially how to keep it neat and tension free, I break it all down in my beginner friendly braiding course, which I will link down below so you can take it at your own pace. It is very slow pace. It feels like a one-on-one teaching setting for you to learn properly right at home at any time. You can master the basics at your own pace. Now that you are halfway through this braid, you should begin to bring the braid closer to the ears. So the braid should be at a slant starting at the middle of your face or that point, and then it should slant going straight back. That's how you want this braid to be formed so that you can get that nice even look on both sides. To add a nice jazz to my braids, I will be using some gold and pearl beads. I got these from Amazon. I will also link them below. They're really cute. I love how they match with my jewelry, and it just add a nice touch. So you can use the bead applicator little pin that it comes with to put the beads on safely, and then secure the ends with a rubber band. Make sure that you wrap that rubber band around enough so that it isn't visible when you bring those beads down. I like to add some gel to my hairline to spice it up a bit, and then I use my brush to create little cute swoops. So I just brush it forward and then curve it around. This give it a nice soft feminine touch to the front, or you can choose to just brush it straight back. It's just based on you. Sometimes I brush it straight back too. It's just based on how I'm feeling for the day, the vibe I'm going for, where I'm going. So it just all depends. But the swoops look really, really cute on the hairline, and my edges has been growing in so good since I've been doing the microcurrent and red light therapy. So I'm just enjoying them a bit more. I feel like I have thicker, more edges. And this is the final result of my double Dutch braid with beads. This is a nice chill look you can do. You're just lounging around in the house, or you just go in to take a nice cute hot girl walk in the park, and you just want something really soft and simple while still looking put together and cute. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly tutorials.